Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to look at finding the perimeter of a rectangle. When we talk about perimeter, we're referring to the outside of a two-dimensional shape. So words like fence, border, edges, and frame are keywords used when talking about perimeter. So when you think of perimeter, think of outside. The golden rule for perimeter is to add all sides because the perimeter is always going to be equal to the sum of all sides. So perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. Let's take a look at this formula. P equals 2L plus 2W. What does that mean? That really means perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. The reason you multiply the length by 2 and you multiply the width by 2 is because on a rectangle, you're always going to have 2 equal lengths and 2 equal widths. So if you multiply the length by 2, you'll end up with the sum of the 2 lengths. And if you multiply the width by 2, you'll come up with the sum of the 2 widths as well. Once you multiply the 2 lengths and you multiply the 2 widths, you add them both together to come up with the perimeter of the rectangle. The length is how long the shape is, and the width is how wide it is. So we're going to label each part accordingly. So the long part is the length, and the wide part is the width. We know that this side over here is congruent to this side over here, and we also know that this side over here is congruent to this side over here. So we can match the labels accordingly. So we know that the width on this side is equal to the width on this side, and we know that the length on this side is equal to the length on this side. So let's pretend we went ahead and measured the dimensions of our rectangle, and this is what we came up with. Now let's go ahead and find the perimeter of this rectangle. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and write our formula. So we're going to write P equals 2L plus 2W, which really means perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times width. Next, we're going to replace the words in our formula with the matching dimensions. So we're going to write perimeter is equal to 2 times 15 plus 2 times 5. Now let's go ahead and start with our parentheses first, starting from left to right. So we're going to multiply 2 times 15. 2 times 15 equals 30. Now let's go ahead and do our other parentheses. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So now we add 30 plus 10, which gives us a perimeter of 40 inches. So the perimeter of our rectangle is 40 inches. And that's just another option for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. That's it, y'all. Have a good one.